Do you want to help me so I can help you if you help me? Please stay, I give more explanation. I just finished an NLP course and they say there are no problems, there's only a lack of creativity. Well, it took me a year to understand that, and I explain you now why and also why I need your help. A year ago I went to an event and my ukulele was stolen, and as you can see on my channel I did not record anything anymore after that. And I did not know how to buy this new uke again, which is so good in quality, and I only want to give you the best for shining your light. And now my question comes, and I think the owl or the dog, I say it, I don't know which bird it is, agrees as well. I feel a bit ashamed, but I thought, hey, no problems, creativity. What if I ask the community if they maybe want to donate 50 cents or €1, and if 1/3 of the followers will do that, I can buy the same uke again with this beautiful quality to give you the best tutorials with the mantras on the ukulele. So what do you think about that? You know, the donation link is here below, and if you want to help and support me, then of course I would love that, because I can shine my light, you can shine your light. And I just came back from Corfu, where I met a beautiful woman from Austria who came to me. Are you Prem, Sunita? I follow you and I bought your songbook. And more guidance like this came about heart sing circles and about the mantra and the uke. And I was like, oh my God, I really need to do something, but how can I afford this, you know? How can I do this? And then suddenly today, this idea came. So let me know what you think about, and if we can help each other, I can make new tutorials again, because now I don't have a uke from this quality where I can teach you this beautiful mantras. So I hope you want to support me, and let's see what this video will do. And for everyone who doesn't feel it, all fine. I just wish you all the best, and I thought, okay, just give it a try and see what universe and life wants.